Hello students, in this video we are going to see one example question which is given in your textbook. Very simple question. It is based on angle of depression. So angle of depression means the line of sight will be below the horizontal line. Okay, very simple. It is same as like as angle of elevation. Here the horizontal distance between the two buildings is 140 meters. See. So, in trigonometry application, diagram is the key point. This is the ground. In this ground, there are two buildings are there here and here. So, this horizontal distance between these 2 points is 140 meter. The angle of depression of the top of the first building. So, this is the first building and this is second building. Okay, so we can take it as AB is the first building and CD is the second building. Okay, if you want to draw like a building, you can draw like this: the first building and the second building. So in this question, I have drawn the first building as a small building, the second building as a big, the tallest. The second building is taller than the first one. How I identified? Let us see. See here. The angle of depression of the first building when seen from the top of the second building is the angle of depression of the top of the first building when seen from the top of the second building. So if you are standing on the top of a second building and you are seeing the top of the first building, the angle of depression. So angle of depression means it will be below the horizontal line. That is why the first building is shorter than the second building. Okay, so this is the horizontal line and this is angle of depression, that is 30 degree given in the question. If the height of the first building is 60 meter, so this is 60 meter, then find the height of the second building. This height we have to find, height of the second building. Okay, let us write. Let AB be the height of the first building and CD be the height of the second building. So we have to find the length of CD in this diagram. Okay, if we draw a parallel line, this can be E and draw BE parallel to AC. Okay, we have drawn DE parallel to AC. So what will be the length of EC? Therefore, AB is equal to EC. Without length same. The length of AB and EC are same because these are parallel line. Okay. Okay. Now, if it is 60, this must be x, unknown value. If AC is 140, see, also if AC is equal to 140, which implies what will be the length of BE? BE is also 140 because these are parallel. See, it is a rectangle, opposite sides are equal. So, B is also 140. So what we have to find? We have to find the length of DC. So DC is equal to DE plus EC. We know the value of EC. Now we have to find the value of DE. Then we can find the height. Okay, clear? Okay, let us do. So see, in triangle BED, the top triangle we have taken. Here, if it is 30, this must be 30 because it is a parallel line. These two angles are alternative angles. So, given angle, opposite side, this is adjacent side. We are not going to use hypotenuse. So, opposite by adjacent, tan theta. So, we are going to use tan ratio. Okay, see here. Tan theta is equal to opposite side by adjacent side. So tan 30 degree is equal to opposite side x by adjacent side 140. So tan 30 1 by root 3, tan 30 is equal to 1 by root 3 by x by 140. So 140, 1 into 140, 140 by root 3 is equal to x. X கண்டுபிடிக்கணும். ஸோ இதை மாத்திரம் இங்கிட்டு கொண்டு வந்தாச்சு. ஸோ 140 by root 3. ஸோ இட் இஸ் வெரி டிஃபிகல்ட் டு ஒரு நம்பருக்கு கீழே ரூட் வந்துருந்துச்சுன்னா அதை டிவைட் பண்ணுறது it is little difficult. So we are going to make a small adjustment. That is 140 by root 3 can be written as root 3 into root 3. So just we are multiplying and dividing by root 3 and by root 3. So x is equal to 140 into root 3 by root 3 into root 3, 3. Okay. 140 into root 3. 140 into root 3. The value of root 3 is 1.732. So in this question, in your textbook itself, they have given root 3 is equal to 1.732. So we have to use that by 3. Okay. So 140 into 1.732, if you multiply exactly, you will get 242.48. Okay. 480 will come, not necessary to use 0 after the decimal point, by 3. So if we simplify, what will be the answer? If you divide, you will get around 80.82 something. Okay. So therefore x, we have the value of x is 80.82. So the entire length, therefore length of the second building is equal to 60 plus 80.82. So 60 plus 80, 140.82 meter. So the height of the second building is 142.82 meter. So in your textbook, for this question, the value of x is given as 80.78 something. So when you solve this kind of problem, we may not get, sometimes we may not get exactly the same decimal numbers, because when we multiply or when we divide, we will எல்லாரும் ஒரே digit வச்சு பண்ண மாட்டோம். எல்லாருமே we will round off at 2 digit, after 2 decimal places, after 3 decimal places, we will do like that. So in the decimal part, if you are getting closer value, no problem, it will not be a mistake. So sometimes in your textbook also they have given different values compared with your answers. So 80.878, 82, all those answers may be correct. Okay. Okay, good. So this is the way to solve the problem. If we have to read the question and we have to understand the meaning of the question, then we have to draw the diagram, then we have to represent what it is, what is AB, what is CD, all those things we have to write. Then we have to find the suitable ratio, tan or sin or cos, we have to find, then we have to simplify. Very simple. Okay, good. Thank you.